Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a what's in my handbag or purse video, mom edition, because although I'm still a bag lady, I carry a lot of stuff. My handbag has changed a little bit. I've added a few stuff because I'm a mom now. So yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, so here is the bag right here. I got this from Old Navy. I think it was like 20 something on sale, and it's lasted pretty well, but it's kind of tearing apart now, so it's time for me to get rid of it. When you're a mom, you need a bag that can either be a backpack or that has a shoulder strap, because you need your hands free to run after kids, to take care of kids. Yeah, you need your hands free because you just never know, like especially when you have a toddler, when they're gonna run out and you forget your purse behind. You need something that you can always keep on you and stuff like that. So this is the bag. I love it a lot because it gets dirty. I just wipe it off. But it's time for me to get a new one because this one is just done. My bag is filled. It's heavy, but not that heavy where it's like hurting my shoulder and stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing is I always have my keys and a key fob attached to my purse, because you just never know when you have an emergency or something comes up where you have to run out of the house. When you have kids or a kid, you really have to make sure that you're always prepared with stuff, because you just never know when you have to get out of the house and getting them ready. You always want to make sure you have all your stuff ready, just to pick it up and go. So yeah, I have my little fob here that has like my commuter pass. I have like IDs, you know, credit cards and stuff like that in here. So it's always attached to the keys, so I never forget it, because one time I actually left the house and forgot my keys because it wasn't attached to my purse. So over the years I've learned to always keep my keys and everything else attached to the purse that I'm using. So when you're a mom, okay, you're gonna have at least some toy in your purse, because you need to keep your toddlers distracted. When you go to restaurants or you go to like hospital appointments, you need something to keep them busy. So I always keep something like a Thomas train, a car, or something like that. The next thing I have in my purse is oil. This is an oil that smells really good. It doesn't really do anything for my own hair, but my husband likes it because it keeps the hair shiny and it smells really good. So I always keep some kind of oil for my hair. Like when I'm doing like full locks like this, it gets really dry, especially in the summer months. So I always want to my hair to smell good, so I always keep something that I can just put on my fingers and rub it if I'm on the go. The next thing is one of my favorite things ever. This is the Contigo cup. This is a coffee mug, but I also put water in it. It actually is waterproof. I mean leak proof, and it actually is leak proof, because some say that and they leak, and I hate that so much. So this one is, you just pop it and you use it, so my son can drink out of it. I could put coffee in case I drop by a coffee shop or something. I used to use this a lot when I was working, but you know, now I just keep it in my purse for water. Always have an extra diaper. One time I actually helped another mom that didn't have a diaper with her because I had it in my purse. So yeah, always keep a diaper with me. We're in the process of, my son is 2.5, almost 3, so we are really trying to work on potty training him so that the diapers can go. Another thing that you must almost have is wipes. This is a big one. Walmart has the big packs and we usually get them. I keep this in my purse. Usually when it gets a little bit lower though, it's heavy. So I always keep carrying my purse, because you never know when you might need it, when accidents happen and you're like, uh-oh. Yeah. I'll go with that later. I always have a big bottle of ibuprofen. Sometimes the other women around me will ask me if I have ibuprofen, or somebody around me. But I always keep it because after I had my son, I've been getting a lot of migraines and I don't know what's going on. So I would have to take ibuprofen a lot. So yeah. The next thing I have is a big tub of shea butter. I got this from Walmart, but if you go to TJ Maxx or something, they also have a big tub for about $5. So you can always run into this. I love shea butter because it's waterproof. So once you put it on, your skin is pretty much covered. Like it's like creates a barrier where, like, if you have water on you or you have water in your hands, or you wash your hands, it doesn't come off, so you never have ashy hands. It's been a lifesaver for me. Like, my hands are always smooth because of it. I don't use any other lotions anymore on my hands because I got tired of constantly having to reapply. With shea butter, I don't have to. Okay, the next thing that I have is my glass case. I wear glasses. I have Altoids. The reason I get Altoids is because I don't like them. I tend to be the person that will really eat away at their like candy or something if they taste really good. So I usually buy nasty mints that I don't really like too much. That way they can last long. I've had this for almost a year because I didn't like it. So that says a lot. And you always want to have good smelling breath. Like, who wants to smell nasty breath? Another one that I have is a body spray. I always have a body spray with me instead of perfumes because they're lighter weight. This is the Cotton Flower and Shea that I got from Old Navy. I like it because it's in a little bottle, and I don't use it that often, so I've had it for quite a while. All right, what do I have? A sticker that we just got from his appointment. A USB charger for my phone. Now this I have to talk about a little more. This is the Anchor portable charger. You need this in your purse because you just never know when you might need battery for your phone or to charge your phone, and there's no way to charge it. I also keep this really now because my son sometimes looks at my phone watching his little Mickey Mouse or whatever, and nothing worse than the battery running out and you have nowhere to plug it, to charge it, and all that. This one I have for my earphones right here, but you always need this is a really good one. I can leave a link below if you guys want to get it. It's one of the best. It's like, I think I spent like $30-something on it, and it actually lights up and tells you when your phone when it's fully charged. So yeah, I always keep that with me. One time we actually had a power outage, and this was a lifesaver. So I have this little purse, coin purse. I used to also keep my commuter pass here so I can just flash it, but this is old, but I keep all my change and my coins in there because you will need coins, because sometimes you go somewhere and like my son wants to buy like a bubble gum thing and I have change with me. I also carry this because you never know when you might need to plug your phone or something into a wall and they don't have that. So I keep this with me as well. All right, another tip that I can tell you guys is to always have a pair of hoop earrings in your purse, because you just never know when you might need earrings, and you don't want to be too overdressed or whatever, and you just need something for your ears. I always have hoop earrings in 3 packs. I have a silver one, one rose gold. They're not real gold, of course, but I always keep them with me because you just never know when you might just need some earrings. Hoop earrings always work at every time. All right, the next thing I have is VI Poo. There's also Poo-Pourri, I believe it's called Poo-Pourri, something like that. But pretty much this hides all the smells after you use the bathroom. You spray it 3 times before you go, and then everything smells like flowers. This is really important. If you're a woman, it's a must in your purse. If you ever have to share a small bathroom somewhere in an office, if you ever visit somebody for the first time and you're anxious about using the bathroom and leaving anything behind, we all use the bathroom. This is it. I have to laugh because one time my sister had a lot of guests, some people that she didn't really know in their house, and somebody had gone to the bathroom and really destroyed the bathroom. There was really a small window and it just was the worst. So it's really just important to really, for the next person, like a courtesy thing, have this and spray it so you don't leave things behind. This is my little pouch. I have pads, I have tampon, and I used to carry also feminine wipes in here too, but I don't even know where they are right now. Okay, it's almost getting empty. I have a lot of time. I have a mouse because my fingers hurt after a while using my Chromebook. I have a sanitizer that actually closes. This is really important, guys, because nothing worse than having a sanitizer and going to reach for it and you had already spilled all over your purse. I've had that incident so many times that I finally got this. So this locks, it doesn't leak. I always have it. And I have another car for my son because I keep toys in here. This is an atomizer, so you can put your favorite perfume in here. Ooh, I had Fashion Mist. I think Donna carried in here. But yeah, I always keep an extra perfume just in case I have to go somewhere where I might need a little stronger scent than a body mist. So I always keep this in here and fill it with my favorite perfume, and then it's always here. So I never panic like, oh my God, I need to smell better, or you just had a long day and you just don't smell that great and you're like, okay. Extra pacifier because my son is still addicted to his pacifiers, and we've had incident where we left some, we lost one, and it was just a whole thing. So I always keep that back up in my purse. Earphones, these are the best ever. They're about $20. They're wireless earphones. You put them behind your neck and kind of cover it, and then you have music on the go. I could go and buy earpods, but this works just fine for me. I don't really need to get all fancy right now. They're really nice because once you charge them, you pretty much have them, and you could always just listen to music, and people don't really know you have music on. Sometimes people think you're ignoring them because they're behind your neck and whatever, but I really like them because whenever I commute, I always put the music on, extra towel paper. And let's see, I've got to clear out everything first so I can, okay. Oh, here it goes. So I have a $20 bill in one of my purse. Here I have my favorite lip gloss. It's the Eclair Lips, I believe. This is one of the lip glosses that actually lasts on my lip. I have really dry lips, and I've tried a lot of lip glosses and stuff. People say the Bath and Body Works one is also good, but I've definitely loved this so much that I need to get more of it. More hoop earrings, I told you. A little plug for my mouse. I have some coins here. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for the main purse. So let me go into the little purse. This is a watermelon little makeup case or whatever. I don't wear makeup, so I don't have makeup in here really. My husband got me this because he thought it was fun. I have this small deodorant, one of my favorite deodorants of all time. Like, this is a men's deodorant. It's called Clean Comfort by Dove. Oh my god, this smells so amazing. It lasts all day. It doesn't leave any stains or stuff on your clothes. Oh my god, it smells so good. But I put this on whenever it's like, okay, I don't want to be, you know, I just spray it. If I'm wearing like sleeveless tops and I don't want to, I have a Pepto just in case, you know, you eat something and your stomach is not cooperating with you. I have Burt's Bees, a pomegranate one here. I don't know why I have two lip glosses. Oh, there was another one here. Oh, my son decided to throw a fit and we pretty much had to buy this because he wanted the ball, but it smells nasty and I don't use it, so there. I have an extra pen because you just never know when you have to sign something. There's no pens around. You have to write something down that's really important, I thought. And you can't find it. Oh, okay, 11 minutes, not bad. I have a bronzer for cheeks and all over face, so just when you need a little bit of that shimmer all over you, like a glow, and you can just put a little bit on your cheeks. You can put it right here, just the main areas, and kind of get that glow. I have a mirror that says "Take Me Away," but I rarely use a mirror these days. It's kind of weird. All right, this little brush is the ones that you can push and to get comb. No, it's I don't know how to explain it, but it's pretty much you push it in and out to get a brush out. So whenever your hair is like, the wind is not working with you, you can. I have extra ear what do they call, earbuds for your earphones. So I always have these because I've lost a few, and one time I couldn't listen to my music because I didn't have extra ones. Another wireless earphone. I'm addicted to wireless earphones. I think they're the best thing ever. Another sanitizer that I rarely use. I need to throw that away. And the last thing is fork that I got probably from a restaurant that this keeps, you can open it and like make it bigger. So this was really helpful. Like, you never know when you might have to eat something that you bought and you don't have a fork and a spoon. So I always keep this in here. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. I've cleared out everything out of my purse. So my bag has changed a little bit. There's now a wipe, a diaper, a toy, sometimes snacks, because I never know what life might bring. So yeah, that's pretty much all, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.